All right, it's December 17th, a little after 2 p.m. I was driving by on my way home from work, saw these two Jeeps sitting here in the on the connector track. Figured I'd stop, and it's been a while since I made a train video, so figured I'd take a little quick walk up the road here and just take a video. Got a little bit of snow last night from that big East Coast storm. We only have a couple inches. I'm not sure if these... I've been running so many of these things around here lately, I can't keep them straight. Looking back towards the Medina yard there. Pretty cool, that thing bumping air. You can hear it echoing off the buildings over there. And it looks like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars sitting on this thing. They probably can't put too many more up in here because the tracks cross over the road up a little way up there.